Coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get
Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So I recently got some products from L'Oreal Paris and they sent me 4 different products that I'll be using today to achieve this no makeup type of look. I know summertime is coming up and the girlies don't really want to be covered in makeup all summer, but at the same time we want to look presentable. So these products that I will be using in this video today is pretty much just to assist with achieving that look. So let's just jump right into the video. So I did my eyebrows off camera, and like I said, I'm going for that no makeup type of look. So I didn't really highlighted my brows with a light concealer. I did a concealer that is pretty much almost close to my skin tone. So the 4 products that I received from L'Oreal Paris are the Hyaluronic Tinted Serum, their True Match Lumi Glotion. The 2 concealers that I got are the Light Medium C3, and I also got Light C2. This one is way lighter than this one, but that's pretty much just to put in the inner corner right here, which I'm going to be showing you guys all of that. For the Hyaluronic Tinted Serum, the shade that I got is Medium Tan. Then for the Lumi Glotion, I got 903 Medium Glow. So starting with the Lumi Glotion, this one is supposed to act as a primer, so I'll be using this one first.
then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar-coated. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie.
So I started using my fingers to blend it out a bit more, and I realized that with my fingers it was actually blending out better. They did say this can act as a primer, so I guess that's why my fingers were probably better than the brush, or maybe it's just the brush that I was using, but for sure I know my fingers kind of did the job. It's definitely giving clear skin. For sure, it's giving you can go outside with it. Now I'm going to go in with the True Match Nude Hyaluronic Tinted Serum. So for the tinted serum, I'm not going to be putting a lot. Ooh. Never mind. Ooh. Oh my goodness, too much.
Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, no maybe. In the meantime.
Okay, so with the tinted serum, I feel like it definitely gave, yeah, I think I really love it more with the tinted serum, for sure. For sure, yes. The tinted serum, I feel like it's giving my face the color that it is, like the natural color that my skin tone is. I feel like the tinted serum matches perfect. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the Light Medium C3 concealer and just put it under my eyes, just to brighten my eyes a little bit.
Oh yeah, like once. Like move fast and do what you want.
So for today, I'm going to be using a beauty blender to blend out this concealer, just because I want to stay within the no makeup type of look. And with beauty blenders, they pretty much soak up some of the concealer, so it's not heavily concentrated as opposed to the brush. When you use the brush literally just pats it in place, so it looks very bright and very concentrated, and we don't want that. We want it to look like, you know, we have our makeup but we don't. So the best way to achieve that look is to use a beauty blender to blend your concealers, because then it soaks it up, if you get what I'm saying.
You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit. You
So now I'm just bronzing up my face. Just to give my face a little bit of color.
Everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should have figured though. All that shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it.
Going in with some powder. And I'm going to be baking. That's it. Do I want to put some highlighter on? Put a little bit of highlighter. Then I'm gonna go in and set my face. So now I'm just going to go in and line my lips with this Too Faced lip injection. Then I'm going to go in with my Dior lip oil, and pretty much that's it. So this is pretty much the final look. Really love the fact that these products are very lightweight and it's not making my face feel too cakey, and my face looks presentable. Like, I feel like I can actually go to an event in the summertime, especially in the daytime, without having to feel overly humid and musky and feeling hot and disgusted. Really love these. So once again, I would love to thank L'Oreal Paris for sponsoring this video. Looking forward to working with you guys again, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.